Welcome back, my friends. Today we're talking about something that can seem exciting, but also intimidating. Buying a home at an auction. Whether you're an investor looking for a deal or a home buyer hoping to snap a bargain, here are some very important things that you need to do before you raise your paddle or click that bid button. Okay, first off, homes at auction are sold as is. This means no repairs, no warranties, no guarantees. What you see is what you get. Buyer beware. And what you don't see could cost you. There are usually no inspections allowed beforehand, so you're buying blind unless you do your own homework. Okay, hey, I am Annette Marble, your favorite Key Realty agent in and around Central Ohio. Okay, so next up, a lot of folks don't know about this, but the fees and deposit. Okay, for an auction off home, you're required to deposit a non-refundable deposit, usually around 10% of the purchase price, due immediately after you win the bid. And there are often additional buyer premiums or fees, usually up to 5% or more, tacked on just for the privilege of you to buy the home at the auction. All right. You'll also need to close pretty quickly. In most cases, the buyer is required to close within a little time period, usually 14 to 30 days. That means you need to have your financing lined up before the auction. Or better yet, if you have cash on hand. Okay, speaking of finances, many homes sold at an auction, they don't qualify for traditional loans due to their condition. So if the house is missing a furnace, well, God forbid, a roof or even utilities, it won't pass a lender inspection. That's why cash buyers often have the upper hand on homes that go for sale or at an auction. All right, let's talk pros and cons. The pros, can't talk today, potential for lower price purchase, less competition in some cases, and quick closing. The cons, risk of major repairs or hidden issues, no contingencies or inspections, and upfront cash and fees can get quite costly, and legal complicities. So, is buying a home at an auction a great deal? Could be, maybe, depending on your situation. But if you can also turn a money pit, you may not be careful. That money pit can cost more than what you think. So if you're considering this route, make sure you research the property and the title history, understand the auction rules, have a solid team behind you, including a knowledgeable realtor and maybe even an attorney. And if you're just curious and wonder if this is the right move for you, reach out. I'm happy to walk you through it and help you make a decision that protects your future. I am, remember, Annette Marble, your favorite Key Realty agent, serving Central Ohio buyers, sellers with experience, honesty, and a little bit of Mo the Pug, which he just left. I'm not sure where he went. So don't get surprised at the auction. Be informed. Be well informed. Know what you're buying. We're always keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.